Dimapur ULB intending candidate ekta logina Congress or PJP laga majude khota ola pichude Congress par advisor Tovi Hoto laga khilaf case file kuriya khobor thagya opor Nagaland laga PhD or Cooperation Minister Jacob Jumomi pa kushe ki edu laga clips kan hosa asena nai na jane aro party pra ekubi confirmation dia nai tai kushe ki niga khota hosa laga bi hoishe na nai kobole na pare Register of Cooperative Societies Office laga nutun directed building Kohima de inaugurate kuriya program laga sideline de Jumomi pra ahya urban local body election opor kushe ki PJP और NDPP do idubar jaga kunuba de friendly match khilibule ase.
Honorable MLA from the NDPP who had shared his thoughts on the ULB election very recently was his personal opinion. He had clarified it publicly. So I have no comments. But as long as our alliance is concerned, we have alliances, but here in the local body elections, both the parties we had discussed earlier, but it transpired to be in this manner, so we are going to have a friendly match in some places.
The Congress have also filed a case against the BJP. Our Honorable Advisor Mr. Tovi Hoto had.
Yeah. I saw it on the WhatsApp. I do not know the authenticity of that clip. We've heard about it, but I have no comments because there is no confirmation about it from our party. And Honorable Advisor Tovi Hoto had not commented. And I don't think those discussions took place. It is up to any political party to give their opinion. So I have no comment on it.
So why is that the BJP has contested so less seats in the ULB elections? We haven't many seats.
No, we have very few seats where BJP MLAs are representing 3 or 4 towns. In those areas, we have filed a nomination and will be contesting. The constituencies of the BJP from the Eastern Nagaland, they are not contesting because they have their own issues to be settled. They have their own mind. But I'm sure it's the alliance government between NDPP and BJP. So NDPP had also filed in several places in their own towns for discussion.
So speaking of ENPO, primarily many of the political parties that have filed their nominations on the last day were from NDPP and BJP, NCP and some independent candidates. Did the political party, did BJP particularly also give pressure to their candidates to file and also to withdraw their nominations, because without knowing the fact that ENPO had already announced for their abstention, the ticket was given to them?
No, as far as the ENPO is concerned, there's a dialogue which has to be concluded. And so best sense prevailed for them, and if they had decided to not file the nomination or withdraw the nomination, it is up to them because they have the other bigger issues to be resolved.
Lastly, sir, so many BJP candidates have been declared uncontested. So how confident are you how many more seats are you expecting to win?
It's particularly on the trust on those intending candidates for any political party to come out unopposed, their candidates. So in few towns, few candidates are there from all political parties who have been declared unopposed. Yesterday was the last date of withdrawal. So it is a good sign for all the parties.